Hello, welcome back. This is still day one, and in this video, I quickly want to let us get familiar to with the um Pycharm IDE. And before I do that, I want to let you guys know that you can still use any IDE or any application that is suitable for you. If you are using VS Code, for instance, you can go to VS Code. I also use VS Code, but I just want to, use Pycharm for this, the purpose of this tutorial. So you can come here and then, go to the extensions market or extension marketplace and then install just search for Python like this. Sorry. If you when you search for Python, you can see the the Python extension here. Just install it and then you can start developing with Python within your VS Code while following this tutorial. Now let's go back to Pycharm. So Pycharm is also similar to VS Code. So on the left hand side, you can see your project folders. So these are project folders. We don't need to worry about this one here. Let's just leave that one. And the one we're going to focus on is this this folder we created from the beginning. So within this folder, we have the venv folder and then the main.py file. So this venv folder or this venv is a virtual environment folder. This virtual environment folder contains, it contains libraries and code to help us do different things within our Python program. I will not explain what it is now, so we don't need to bother about it, but we'll see what it is in another video. So this main.py file. So for every Python program, regardless of the IDE you are using, whether VS Code or Pycharm or any other one, you need to put the .py after the name of your file. So to indicate that this is a Python file and contains Python code. Otherwise, it will not work. Okay, so this main.py contains this hello world code here that we are printing into our terminal here. So below below this screen here, all this part of the code, the IDE, sorry, is where we write our code. So let me quickly just scroll down. You can see some lines showing from 1 to 13. You can also minimize the console or the terminal and just have the the whole space where we write our code show up on the screen. And to run our code, we click on this green button here beside the main file that is showing up in this square here. Just click on it and then the terminal will just pop up by itself. So you don't need to know how to open the terminal. You just click on it and then this is the terminal. It shows you the result of your code. Now you can create another Python file. Just come here, right click on your project name or the project folder. A quick way to do that is just to create the Python file. Go to the Python file option and put the name of your Python file. So let me just call this second main. I'll put second main like this and then press enter. Now second main is has been created automatically with the .py extension at the end. So let's print something in this file here. So let's say print hello from second main like this. Now when we save, okay, it's saved automatically. So let's just click on this green button to run our code. Now we can see hello world from this main Python file is still being printed. So how do we print the code within the second file? So to do that, you simply click on this drop down here where the main file, the main name is with the Python logo, and then go to select the current file option. Now when you click on it, it will basically run the file that is being showed on the screen. So when you click on this one, it will run the code within this one. When you click on this one, it will run the code within this one. So let's put it to the test and click on the run button here. Now you can see hello from main is being printed in the console or in the terminal. I got that word from JavaScript anyway. So you can also click, if you go back to main and you click on it, you can see hello world, which is this one here. Let me change it to from main, and this one is from second main. So if I click on this one, from second main will be printed the console. If I go back here, it's the from main will be printed in the console. All this is made possible by changing the the option here to from main to current file. And that's it for this video.